An Excel workspace is nothing more than just a file that when you open it allows you to open up multiple workbooks at the same time. In fact, all those workbooks are saved into one file that's called a workspace. To create this workspace file, first of all, I want to open up all the workbooks that I want to be able to save into this workspace file. Click on the Office logo button, come down to Open, and then I'm in my exercise folder. And let's say that I'm working on a project that involves Dot, Homer, and also Lizzie. And I have to open up their workbooks every day. Well, instead of opening them up individually here, and I control-clicked each workbook, so I can select all three here, I can go ahead and open them up once. And you can see down at the bottom here I've got Dot, Homer, and Lizzie's. And I want to save it as a workspace file. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and arrange these three here so I can see them all within the same window. In fact, I'm going to come over here and click on this blank workbook, right click and left click on Close. So I just have the three workbooks that are now open. And I'm going to go ahead and arrange them vertically. So I'm going to come up here, click on the View tab, go to my window group, click on Arrange All, and let's do it vertically and click OK. Now I can see all three of the workbooks here. And this is what I'm going to save as my workspace, so every time I open up this workspace file, it'll actually open up all three workbooks. And to save this as a workspace file, you can't do it from the Save As or Office logo drop down, but you have to come over here to the View tab in the Windows group and click on Save Workspace. Opens up the window like it's doing a Save As, except it gives you the type down here, Save As Workspace, and it's got the extension .xlw, so it can tell this file from all the rest. Of course, I am saving that in my exercise folder, and I can call it My. When I'm finished, go ahead and click Save. And it says, do you want to save any changes that you made to this workbook, Lizzie? I could say yes to all. I want to save all changes to all these workbooks. When I'm finished, I can go ahead and come in here and close out of each workbook. And then to open up all three workbooks at the same time, remember I saved it as a workspace file. I just have to open up that file. Come over here, click on the Office logo button, go down. Of course, I could click on the shortcut here, but let me show you what it looks like here, because when I click on Open, it's in my exercise folder, and it's right here, my spiffy workspace.xlw. And you can see the little icon right here. It's different from all the rest. Again, this is how Excel can separate and tell what file does what. This is an XLW, that's Workspace. SX is your generic or basic Excel workbook. I'm going to go ahead and double click on my spiffy workspace. Opens up all three workbooks at once here, and it remembers the way that they were tiled vertically. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.